Man, I just walked in and caught my freaking wife and her son having sex.
Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daniel.
On American Independence Day, July 4th, 2024, a shocking event unfolded. The incident involved 45-year-old Crystal Fallis and her 27-year-old son, Austin Casey. The family was celebrating the holiday while Crystal's husband and the boy's stepfather, Daniel, was at work. At some point in the early afternoon, Crystal's younger son, David, went to his room to sleep, leaving his mother and older brother alone. It was during this time that something disturbing occurred. Around 3:30 p.m., David was awakened by strange noises. He soon realized his mother and brother were engaged in sexual activity. Believing his mother was being assaulted, he ran to a neighbor's house to call the police. Moments later, Crystal's husband, Daniel, arrived home from work. Unaware of what had happened, Daniel took a shower. Afterward, he went looking for his family and walked in on his wife and stepson together. He also immediately called the police, who were already on their way.
Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daniel. Me and you are together. I'm sorry.
I'm done with all this. I'm done with all this.
I'm done.
How long are
I can't.
Did you see it?
Yes, I was in there when he was doing it.
Why didn't you stop him?
I can't.
Hey,
quit.
That's my brother, Mom. Get the fuck off me, Mom.
Hey, quit.
Get the fuck off me, Mom. I'm not doing anything. She's on me, biting me.
Quit.
She's on me, biting me.
I got
She's on me,
one
biting me.
Hey, quit.
Take the car!
Quit.
Okay, motherfuckers! Stop, y'all!
Stop, Mom.
Take your boat!
Stop.
Hey,
I promise I'm not doing
hey,
anything.
put your hands behind your back.
I just don't want her
Put
to
your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Here, sir.
Put your hands behind your back.
I promise. I was just trying to get her off me. You're nasty. You're nasty, Mom. Don't fucking
Hey, quit.
You're nasty.
I love you.
You're nasty.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
You're fucking drunk.
Get on, let's go inside.
You're fucking nasty. Son.
I love
You're
you.
fucking nasty. I'll look at you, Daniel. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daniel. Yeah. I'm sorry.
I love you.
Mom, no, you don't. Shut the fuck up. I need you to go step over.
All right.
Go step over there by the door. Double lock him. Alright, he'll talk to her and see what her side is. I was trying to talk to him.
Dude, everything I own here, I'm not leaving this house with all them right here.
I'm not leaving anywhere, and I'm not going anywhere because I'm making nothing for you to claim or accuse anything. All right, bye.
Hey, come here. I want to take something.
Both Crystal and her son Austin were arrested and brought in for questioning. They were initially charged with incest, a Class C felony in Arkansas.
Alright, so what happened yesterday?
I'm just not used to drinking anymore.
Right,
I got way too drunk.
right.
I haven't been drinking for over a year. So I screwed up real bad.
Right. Well, hey, it's understandable when you get real intoxicated that you do crazy things. I understand. I understand that. So, I am going to ask you if you could elaborate on exactly what you're talking about.
Not really. I mean, I was just too drunk.
Too drunk?
Yep.
Okay. Well, due to the statements that we have and everything else is what was going on, we believe, is that you were having sex with Alright, man, so you want to talk about what happened yesterday?
I just had too many drinks, and stepdad showed up, saw a few things didn't like to see, and I left, so the situation didn't get any worse.
Right.
Just started walking down the road.
But these things that he happened to see, you mind elaborating on that a little bit?
I'd rather not. Too happy about the decisions that I made.
Right.
Stupid stuff.
Well, man, we all do crazy things when we get drinking, okay? Especially when we drink a lot, okay? So, I understand that, but, you know, as far as if you're willing to talk to me, you don't have to talk to me. But if you're willing to elaborate a little bit, you can know that I understand as far as, you know, drinking too much can cause you to do some crazy things sometimes.
I was just laying in there in the bed with my mom. He saw it and didn't like it.
What were you doing with your mother, bro?
Things I shouldn't have been doing. Not like fully, but close enough that it shouldn't have been happening.
Okay, were you having sex with your mother?
Not quite, but yeah.
During his interrogation, Austin admitted to the act but claimed it was consensual, stating they were both heavily intoxicated and things got out of hand. He also denied any prior history of sexual abuse by his mother.
At their initial court appearance, a judge granted both Crystal and Austin a $35,000 bond.
In a surprising turn, the charges against Crystal were dropped in May 2025. Austin, however, pleaded no contest. He was sentenced to 60 months of probation and a 60-day jail sentence, with credit for 53 days already served. But the story doesn't end there. In late 2024, Austin violated his probation, and as of the recording of this video, he is wanted by the police. This case leaves us with many unanswered questions. What do you think about the legal outcomes for Crystal and Austin? Was justice truly served? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments section below. I read as many as I can. If you found this video compelling and want to support the channel, please take a moment to hit the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into another complex case. For more content, you can click on the video on your screen now. Thanks for watching.